again, guys. I've landed again, and in this month of January, I'm going to be making us a Tron millionaire. Alright, guys. So this is another website I just found out, owtrx.com, and in this video, I'm going to be making a live withdrawal from this video. But first of all, have your wallet address copied already from either Trust Wallet or any wallet, Binance, anyone at all. Alright, guys. So first of all, before I start, if you scroll through my channel, you see a place where I posted about Naira Honey Beats. Kindly go there and register to my referral link so that you could earn up to 20,000 naira on a daily basis as a Nigerian. Alright, guys, so let me quickly sign in rather. Okay, to sign up on this platform is really easy. All you need to do is to just input your mobile number, which may be not correct, which may not be correct, and you could also input your security password and your password that you can a password that you can remember, and also a password that you can use to withdraw your funds. It can be the same as the normal password. Alright, guys, so they also have a Telegram group. This platform also have a Telegram group. Their Telegram group is with over 20k 20k to 27k subscribers. So the platform is not a kind of platform or a type of platform that is going to scam you this early. So guys, the way this platform works is that on a daily basis, after registration of that stuff, click the link in the description box to register. After registration of that stuff, you'll be getting a certain percentage to withdraw based on the amount of TRX that you're going to be depositing. Alright, guys, so on a daily basis, I am giving 11 TRX for me to withdraw for my balance, and as you can see over here, my total deposit balance, the total amount of TRX that I deposited is 110. So that simply means that if I deposit 10 TRX, I'm going to be getting 1 TRX to withdraw on a daily basis. Alright, guys, so excluding the referral program, so let me quickly show you my team right here. So as you can see, I have about 32 people I referred, and these are the amount of TRX that they have been deposited. Imagine this person they are deposited, as you can see, this person deposited 538 TRX. Imagine the amount of profit I'm going to be getting for that amount of TRX that person had deposited. It's going to be huge referral um reward. Alright, guys, so let's quickly go straight to the point. So let me quickly make a live withdrawal first, or let's quickly show you the investment plans. So as you can see, this is the TRX1, this is the TRX2, the TRX3, and the TRX4 plan. So as you can see, this one, the cycle is 3 days, and you're going to be getting 1.6% after 2 days for whatever you invest, and this one is 3% for 15 days. So after 15 days, whatever you invest, you're going to be getting 3%. And this other one, cycle, is about 2 months, and you're going to be getting 10% after 2 months of whatever you had invested. Alright, guys, so let's quickly go to make withdrawals. But before we do that, on a daily basis, do not forget to go to this trading icon over here. Click the trading icon and click on this receive button, okay. Alright, guys, so if you check the link in the description box, you'll see a Google form, something like a Google Doc form. So all you need to do is to just follow instructions and participate in my giveaway. I'm going to be doing a massive giveaway once this channel turns a year old. So you see that in my previous videos that I've been making since. So next month, February, I'm going to be doing Tron giveaway to my subscribers. So guys, let me quickly make a live withdrawal now. Okay, so as you can see, my basic wallet, which I get for daily profit, is 11 TRX, and my promotional wallet, which I got from the referral reward, is 44.98 TRX. So that's what I'm going to be drawing, 44.98 TRX. Okay, imputing my security password. That's my wallet address over there. Okay, for 4.98. Alright, guys, so it seeseems that my withdrawal limit is 24.97 TRX. So let me try drawing that right now again. Okay, so I'll input 44.97 TRX that I'm withdrawing, and my wallet address and my password. So as you can see over there, it's submit success, and I should go check my wallet address right now whether it has entered, because I have been debited already from my promotional wallet. As you can see, I now have zero limit of withdrawal, zero withdrawal limit, and my promotional wallet money has been taken out from there. So guys, don't forget to also be checking that trading button every day to claim your TRX. That is semi important. So let me quickly check trust wallet right now to know if it has entered. Alright guys, so I'm sorry for the graphics of this video. I know it's not great. Going to be getting a good device soon, so I'm so sorry about that stuff. I'll be making a good video very 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 soon. And for the rest of this month, I'm going to be making TRX video, free Tron mining and free Tron earning, and identifying a fake Tron mining website. I'm going to be doing that one. That's very important for you guys. Thank you very much for watching.